Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to hide the Meta AI button on WhatsApp. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So the first thing you want to do is to go open your WhatsApp application and make sure it is updated to latest version available. Now tap on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen and select Settings. Now from here you want to select Chats. Now if your app is compatible or it's up to date or if it's available in your region, you will see the Meta AI setting right here. So just tap on the Meta AI settings to toggle it on or off. So what you want to do is simply toggle it off. So by toggling it off, the Meta AI button on your WhatsApp will be removed or be hidden. So I can't show you the exact setting right here because it's not available for me. But if it's available for you, you can easily do by following these steps. So that's basically how you can hide the Meta AI button on WhatsApp. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.